This afternoon, I am at Gabriel's Food Market in San Jose. We are checking out yet again another Filipino restaurant. The objective for this video is to showcase Filipino breakfast. I want to show you what a typical standard Filipino breakfast looks like. I'm looking forward to trying rice that comes with Filipino breakfast, eggs, longanisa, and tocino. Let's go ahead and get right to it right now. We order right here.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you.
Okay. You guys saw breakfast here?
Yeah. You want to have garlic rice?
Yes. For the Filipino breakfast, like longanisa is pretty standard, huh?
Yeah.
This is the Ilocano one.
This is the sweet one.
Can I? And how many longanisas come with it? Can I do one of each? Yeah. Recommendation? Does he know?
Yeah.
All right. You know what I'm doing, right? You know what I'm doing, right? I'm doing a Filipino breakfast video. Yes.
Hi.
Hello. Oh, you want to say hi? Do you come here often?
I like the crispy pata. I don't know.
Yes, I know crispy pata. You like the crispy pata? How about the breakfast here? Is it pretty good?
I haven't tried it.
You haven't tried
But
it?
I tried the others.
Okay, so I'm doing the breakfast here.
Which vlogger are you?
What kind of vlogger? Food vlogger. My name is Christian. Oh, I've been there. Pangasinan, Ordaneta, Ilocano. Yeah.
Will you be comparing other restaurants?
I've been to multiple already.
Okay.
Yeah.
Searching you on YouTube.
Eat like an apex. How long you guys been here?
The restaurant?
Yeah.
6-7 years, I think.
6-7 years?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we picked up the food from Gabriel's Food Market. Pleasure to meet some of the employees. Here we go with the Filipino breakfast. Tocino, Ilocano, longanisa, and regular longanisa. Eggs and garlic rice. This is what Filipino breakfast is. This is it. You know, if there's anything that we showcase to you what traditional Filipino breakfast looks like, this is it. Without further ado, let's get started with this Filipino breakfast. Let's go on to our first objective, tocino. And what is tocino? Tocino is a sweet cured pork dish. Maybe we'll have it by itself first, huh? Just like that. Oh man, my mouth is watering. By the way, we're outside of Plaza. Gabriel's Market is over there. Look at that, beautiful trees. Isn't it gorgeous? And a nice blue sky. Bite. Wow, yep. The sweet tocino. That sweet pork, man. Tasty and meaty for sure. Just a delicious bite. Tocino is a very, very popular Filipino breakfast dish. What we like to do is obviously we want to pair this with the rice. Let me put my egg to the side here. We have the garlic rice. So we're going to pair that tocino with some garlic rice. All right, there's the bite. Bite. Ooh. The rice spilled, but we'll get another scoop. Oh. The garlickiness of that rice is fantastic. That rice is like nice and fluffy, not too moist or not too dry, just perfect. And that flavor of that garlic rice, wow. We might gotta go egg this time. So I'm gonna do us a big solid and have this giant egg. We'll put that tocino right on top. Maybe we'll chase it with the, yeah, one bite this one. Take a look at that. Maybe we'll try to one bite it. Egg and tocino, and then we'll chase it with the rice. Bite. That's super yummy. Okay, let's just immediately chase it with the rice right now. Bite. Okay, I can tell you, that's more like a 2-biter, but I had it with the one. That right there was just an ultimate bite. Oh, the sweetness from the tocino, the yolkiness from that egg, the rice, that combination just defines Filipino breakfast. As much as I want to keep eating the tocino, I want to go ahead and take you to a childhood favorite of mine, longanisa. Something that I grew up eating. That casing, the pork, you know, this is that sweet sausage. Let's bite that longanisa by itself. Bite. They just started to gush out. Oh, that sweetness, that sausage, that casing. Tinge of spice, not very much. Ultimately, it's that texture, the sausagey texture, and that tasty, sweet, delicious longanisa. That brings back so many memories growing up eating this. All right, let's have it with rice. Like, I don't have Filipino breakfast often, and I'm thinking, why not? Why not? It is so good. Okay, just gonna go ahead and get some of that longanisa, kind of pierce that sweet longanisa. Rice, longanisa. And these spoons are way too small. Okay, there it is. There's our ratio. Bite. A little more rice. Wow. Longanisa, garlic rice. I mean, what more can you ask for? That is just delicious. I guess we can have it with the egg. That'll just bump it up a notch. So let's do it. Oh yeah, look at it. Oh, it just gushed out. It's still gushing. Woo! Look at that egg. Can you see it? That yolky lava just on top of that. And you know what? Like I said before, I could probably have the, growing up, I had the yolk and the rice, and that's it. Oh man, this is just yummy, yummy Filipino breakfast right now. Yolk, longanisa, rice. It's in there, that garlic rice. Bite. Every bite I'm taking is just bringing me back to how good and how delicious and how yummy Filipino breakfast is. And again, this is just like one of the many options you can have. Just that combination of sweet, savory, salty. That's Filipino. And they call this the Ilocano longanisa. The Ilocano longanisa. Can you believe that? I know there was a Ilocano dinakdakan. I filmed that video, the dinakdakan, the Filipino or Ilocano sisig. This is the Ilocano longanisa. So the flavor profile in here is like garlic, maybe not as fatty as the regular longanisa, but I'm sure it's gonna be delicious as well. Let's give it a bite. Bite. Oh yeah. Peppery. You taste the garlic, that sausage texture. Not as sweet as the other longanisa, but that's still yummy. Now let's have it with the rice. Might have to. It's getting hard to balance on the spoon, so I might have to just kind of like eat that and then eat that. Ilocano longanisa first. Bite. Oh, rice. That's yummy. I like that too, but for me, I think I like that sweet factor from the sweet longanisa. Navigate back around here. Let's do another tocino bite with the rice and egg. Okay, let's do that. Rice. And then the egg. And you can't complete a Filipino breakfast without having something to drink. And this right here, coconut juice, is something we like to drink for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Oh yeah. Okay, that's what breakfast looks like. There's various fish options, there's other meat options, but tocino, longanisa, egg, rice, I mean, that's what it is. And check out some other videos on my channel for more food-inspired travel content. Enjoy that bite. Life. Later, bye.